वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप महाराष्ट्र सेट की या और कोई भी सेट की पेपर 1 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आज का ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। आज हम सितंबर 2021 के PYQ सॉल्व करेंगे वन बाय वन। इस वीडियो को पूरा ज़रूर देखिए क्योंकि PYQ से ही आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछी जाने वाले क्वेश्चंस का पैटर्न और इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक समझने में काफ़ी मदद मिलेगी। तो चलिए बिना किसी डिले के शुरू करते हैं महाराष्ट्र सेट पेपर 1 PYQ सितंबर 2021। Let's move on to the first question. The first question is, understanding level of teaching includes memory, aptitude, insight, creativity. Options है 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. So the answer to the question is C, memory and insight. Next question, the most intellectually fertile period of human being is adolescence. Answer is adolescence. Next question, online discussion forum of Swayam is for clearing the doubts, self-assessment, watching video lectures or downloading reading material. So the answer is clearing the doubts. Discussion forum of Swayam is for clearing the doubts. Next question, history cannot be taught by using digital charts, maps, demonstration method, role play method. So the history cannot be taught by demonstration method. We cannot demonstrate, right, to teach history. Role play is the best method for history. Absolute and relative grading are types of dash grading. Answer is indirect grading. Next question, most essential quality for a researcher is, a researcher must have punctuality, intelligence, genuine interest in research, mastery over own subject. So the correct answer is genuine interest in research. A researcher must have genuine interest in what he is going to research. 7th, recording of reflective notes in qualitative research is called as coding, memoing, decoding, instructing. Answer is memoing. Next question, a variable academic achievement will be measured on, where it will be measured nominal, interval, ratio, ordinal. Okay students, if you want to remember this, you need to learn this. NOIR. First comes naming, only name. Then ordinal scale comes where order has been given. Then it comes interval. Interval means gap within. Then comes the ratio. Ratio में जो क्या आएगा, absolute 0. So academic achievement कौन से scale पे measure कर सकते हैं? Answer is interval, to find out the gaps between. Next question, if a frequency distribution has some extreme scores, then appropriate measure of central tendency will be mean, median, mode, range. So the answer of this question is median. Next question, a research paper is based on primary data, secondary data, descriptive data. So the answer is primary and secondary data. So option C will be the right answer. Next question, next C students, this is passage. Passage में आपको क्या करना है? We will not solve this question one by one because it will take too much time, and passage I know you can solve it on your own. Only I can give you with tips and tricks to solve this passage. First what you have to do is, you should not, first आपको passage नहीं देखना है. First आपको what you have to do is, you have to see the questions, read the questions, all the questions first you have to read one by one. देन यू मूव ऑन टू द पैसेज, देन आपको पैसेज की तरफ जाना है एंड देन आपको आंसर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. इट विल बी ईजियर एंड टाइम सेविंग. आपको ये टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स ऐसे फ्री में कोई नहीं बताएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूकॉम, dash is not so much important in communication cycle. Sender, receiver, media, message. What is not so important is media, because sender is important. क्योंकि जब तक सेंड नहीं होगा तो रिसीव कैसे होगा. सो मैसेज भी ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. आपको भेजना क्या है, मैसेज ही भेजना है ना, और एक रिसीवर रहेगा. सो रिसीवर इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि भेजना हमें किसको है. सो जो लीस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो है मीडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is one of the following most important factors to become communication effective? स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा भी याद रखना कि कभी भी इफ़ेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन की बात होगी ना, देर विल ऑलवेज बी एन फीडबैक. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, कभी भी कम्युनिकेशन, इफ़ेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन में हमेशा फीडबैक होगा ही होगा. So the answer is effective, immediate feedback. Next question. Supervisor in factory orders workers and workers follows the order. This dash type of communication. This is dash type of communication. Which type of communication it is? Students, it is vertical communications. Next question. Consider a roadmap of a city having 5 approach roads from other places, 10 junctions, and no interval road has a dead end. Every junction except one is associated with 4 roads. If n number of roads are associated with the remaining junction, then which of the following value is impossible for n? So here they are telling except one. So we'll do with 9. 9 junction multiply by 4 roads. What we get? We get 36. 9 4s are 36. Then total degree is 36 plus n. अब 5 अप्रोच रोड की वजह से टोटल डिग्री का पैरिटी ऐड होना चाहिए, इसलिए n ऑड होना चाहिए. ऑप्शन में 3 5 7 पॉसिबल है पर 6 इम्पॉसिबल है. सो द आंसर इज 6. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एन ऑनेस्ट पर्सन somehow guaranteed to 2 different persons x and y individually to hand over complete amount available in his unique purse. In which way situation he will fulfill his assurance given to x and y at one and the same time? So the options are: if there is no money in his purse, next option, by paying each one of them half of the money available in the purse, third option, by paying nothing to any one of them, fourth option, in the purse the number of notes coins of same amount is even. So the answer of this question is A, if there is no money in his purse. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, let me explain you this. देखो, उसके पर्स में अगर 0 है, ओके, तो x एंड y दोनों को इंडिविजुअली कंप्लीट अवेलेबल अमाउंट दैट इज़ 0 हैंड ओवर करके एश्योरेंस फुलफिल हो जाएगा. इसलिए ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है, इफ़ देयर इज़ नो मनी इन हिज पर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इमीडिएटली आफ्टर 12 o'clock, at what time duration both the minute hand and the hour hand of a watch exactly overlap? 12 के बाद देखो, 12 के बाद हैंड्स पहली बार अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 hour 5 minutes 27 seconds ओवरलैप करते हैं, यानी 1 5 और 1 6 के बीच में. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सी, आफ्टर 1 hour 5 minutes and before 1 hour 6 minutes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. As the price of a book is reduced by 20%, then its consumption is increased by 25%. How much percentage difference is there in the previous income? So देखो, प्राइस 20% डिक्रीज, कितना हुआ है? 20% डिक्रीज हुआ है. 20% डिक्रीज हुआ तो कितना रह गया? 80% रह गया. ठीक है. फिर कंजम्पशन कितना हुआ है? 25%. अब 25% कंजम्पशन हुआ है तो कितना हो जाएगा? 125% रह जाएगा. ओके. सो अभी न्यू इनकम उसकी रहेगी 80% मल्टीप्लाई बाय 125%. So what we will get, the answer is 100% after multiplying this. So इनमें इनकम में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. So the answer will be 0. Next question. The percentage profit earned by selling an item for ₹2120 is same as a percentage loss incurred by selling the same item for ₹1480. At what price should the item be sold to get 20% profit? Okay, so see here, let me explain you this. Rupees 2120 per profit is equals to ₹1480 पर लॉस. यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट है, यहाँ लॉस है. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या हो जाएगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल्स टू, ये ऐड हो जाएगा. कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या हो जाएगा? इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर लेंगे. सो 20% प्रॉफिट के लिए 1800 प्लस 20% ऑफ 1800. Okay, so what you will get the answer? Students, are you really getting it what I am trying to say? क्योंकि ना इस पे एक्सप्लेन करना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है, बट आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Arrange the following terms in a meaningful logical order indicating the correct order. 26th का सबसे फर्स्ट आएगा पॉपुलेशन. सबसे पहले क्या होती है? पॉपुलेशन, बिकॉज फर्स्ट पॉपुलेशन आएगी, पहले बॉर्न होते हैं हम. फिर नेक्स्ट होता है, what will come next students? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होती है. फिर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होगी तो पॉवर्टी होगी. फिर पॉवर्टी होगी तो डिजीज़ेस आएगी. फिर डिजीज़ेस के बाद आपको डेथ हो जाएगी. सो बी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इफ़ QTXL in a code means OPTG, then in the same code what does GKNS would mean? Actually student, at that time this was a drop question because the options given here are very incorrect. So I want you to solve this question and give me the answer in the comment box. Next question. By drinking Bonvita with water gives energy. By drinking Complan with water gives energy. By drinking milk with water gives energy. Therefore, by drinking water one gets energy. This is an example of. What could be the answer? The answer is B, fallacy. Because see, अभी बॉर्नविटा के साथ वाटर मिक्स किया तो एनर्जी मिली, कॉम्प्लान के साथ वाटर मिक्स किया तो एनर्जी मिली, मिल्क के साथ वाटर मिक्स किया तो एनर्जी मिली. इससे डायरेक्टली ये कंक्लूड करना कि वाटर अलोन एनर्जी देता है इनकरेक्ट इन्फ्रेंस है. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज फैलेसी. Which of the following are the valid conclusion based on the statements given below? All birds, statement 1, all birds are white. Statement 2, all parrots are birds. Conclusion 1, some birds are white. Conclusion 2, some parrots are white. Conclusion 3, all parrots are green. Conclusion 4, some birds are not white. So the codes given are 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 and 4 only. So the answer of this question is C. All birds are white. ठीक है. All parrots are white. All parrots are birds. So therefore some birds are white valid हो जाएगा. Some birds are white valid हो जाएगा. Some parrots are white ये भी valid हो जाएगा because parrots are birds and birds are white. So conclusion 3, all parrots green or some birds are not white follow नहीं करते. This is square of opposition. So the answer is code 1 and 2 only. Next question. Which of the following diagram shows the correct relationship among three terms? Athletes, women and mothers. So the answer of this question is B. Venn diagram. This is very important students. Venn diagram करके जाना. Question number 31 and 32 are based on the following diagram. The following is a diagram of a certain college showing the number of students passed and failed during the years 2012 to 2015. See this graph. Now ये जो लाइनिंग जो लाइन दिया है ना, this is past one, and जो blank है that are failed students. So the question is, in which year is the percentage of passing of students maximum? So पूछ रहा है कि सबसे ज़्यादा maximum passing students कौन से year में है? So we can clearly see it is in 2015. Next question. The percentage of passing of students in examination for all the years 2015 to 2012 to 2015 combined together is. So the answer of this question is C. It is very easy, you can solve it on your own. See what happened is, यहाँ पे देखो 200 को पहले ऐड करना है, फिर 400, उसके बाद 500, उसके बाद 700. इन सबको जब आप ऐड करोगे तो आपको टोटल कितना मिलेगा? 1800. ठीक है. और जो ऑल टुगेदर स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कितने हैं? 3000. ओके. उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1000 से. यहाँ पे प्लेस नहीं है, सो मैंने इधर लिखी हूँ. सो कट दिस, 0 कट हो जाएगा इससे. 3 1 जा 3 6 जा 18. सो द आंसर इज सी. here 60. Next question. Arithmetic mean of 12 observation is 40. The smallest and largest observation are 20 and 60 respectively. If we ignore the smallest and the largest observation, then the arithmetic mean of the remaining observation will. The answer of this question is C. Will not change. Next question. Question numbers 34 and 35 are based on the following information. Out of 80 players, 35 play cricket, 42 play hockey, 25 play football, 8 play both cricket and hockey, 10 play both cricket and football, 7 play both hockey and football, 3 play all the 3 games. So the question they are asking is, how many players are playing only one game? How many players are playing only one game? C. क्रिकेट का कितना है? 35. How many students are playing cricket? 35. हॉकी कितना खेल रहे हैं? 42. फुटबॉल कितनी प्लेयर्स खेल रहे हैं? 25. क्रिकेट एंड हॉकी कौन कौन खेल रहा है? 8. क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल कौन खेल रहा है? 10 स्टूडेंट्स. हॉकी एंड फुटबॉल 7 प्लेयर्स. ऑल ऑफ द 3 गेम्स कौन खेल रहे हैं? 3 प्लेयर्स. ओके, तभी हमको ओनली 1 गेम का फाइंड आउट करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्रिकेट का फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 35 माइनस 8 माइनस 10 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 20. इस तरह हम हॉकी का भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 42 माइनस 8 माइनस 7 प्लस 3, क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? 30. इसी तरह हम क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल, अभी फुटबॉल फाइंड आउट करते हैं. 25 माइनस 10 माइनस 7 प्लस 3, क्या हो गया? 11. ओके, सभी हमको क्या मिल गया ये याद रखो, 20, 30 एंड 11. सो इसको भी हमको क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. 20, 30 प्लस 11. सो हमको 61 आंसर मिलेगा. सो आंसर सी इज़ द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स प्ले एग्जैक्टली 2 गेम्स? ओके, सो देखो, हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स प्ले एग्जैक्टली 2 गेम्स. क्रिकेट प्लस हॉकी ओनली इज इक्वल्स टू 8 माइनस 3. क्या आ जाएगा आंसर? 5. फिर क्रिकेट प्लस फुटबॉल ओनली कितने हैं? 10 माइनस 3. व्हाट विल द आंसर कम? 7. फिर हॉकी प्लस फुटबॉल ओनली 7 माइनस 3, 4. सो व्हाट डिड वी गेट? 4, 7 एंड 5. तो अभी इन तीनों को हम ऐड करेंगे. 4, 7 and 5. So what we will get the answer? 16. So the correct answer here is 16. Next question. Which of the following is the correct full form of ERNET? It is very important and it has been repeated many times. So please keep this full form in your mind. 36 का आंसर है D, Educational and Research Network. The next question. Who helped late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in revolutionizing India's telecommunication policy? Answer is B, Sam Pitodra. Which among the following is basically an instant messenger? Answer is D, WhatsApp. Next question. Sarathi is the web portal of. It is the web portal of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next question. BYOD is the content of digital initiatives in higher education in India is C, bring your own device. It is the full form of this. Very, very important. Presence of E. coli. Next question. Presence of E. coli in water is an indicator of dash contamination. It is an indicator of sewage contamination. Next question. During daytime, noise pollution in residential area should not exceed 55 decibel. Next question. To regulate and control the transboundary movement of hazardous waste is also known as Basel Convention. Next question. There are a number of acts in India to prevent and control of pollution. One of the following act is known as Comprehensive Umbrella Act. Which act is known as C, Environmental Protection Act. Next question. How many goals have been set for sustainable development by UN to achieve social and economical development? The answer of this question is B, 17. very very important, sustainable development, millennial development goals, you have to ratify it, very very important. Next question, which of the following universities was the center of military education during Vedic period? Takshila University. Answer is Takshila University. Next question, minimum period for PhD should be of 2 years and there should be viva voice examination for PhD degree. This recommendation was made by Radhakrishna Commission. Next question, teacher education is professional education. Very easy question. Next question, nomenclature of education department of India has been changed to human resource development in the year. Actually this was a drop question at that time. If you know the answer, please comment. Please tell your answer in the comment box. Next question, which of the following institution is not funding for research activity in higher education? The answer to this question is NCTE. So now we finished. तो दोस्तों आज हमने महाराष्ट्र सेट पेपर 1 सितंबर 2021 के PYQ सॉल्व किए. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और ऐसे ही महाराष्ट्र सेट और UGC नेट की प्रिपरेशन वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले. अगर आप चाहो तो कमेंट में बताएं कि अगला कौन सा PYQ सॉल्व करवाना चाहिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.